All right, guys, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this wrench from WORKPRO justice. Pulling it out of the box, the first thing I notice is just how durable it feels and just how much quality it seems like is here. It fits in the palm of your hand, but look at the size of the teeth here. We've got laser engraved measurements on both sides for easy indication and easy determination of what size you're gonna need. What's great about this too is if you don't know the size of whatever it is that you're using and maybe you have to replace a bolt, this will be able to tell you exactly what size you're gonna need.
It also opens up to 1.5 inches, which is way more than the average person is ever going to need. But it's also great just for everyday use. Just because it can go that wide or it can fit in small places doesn't mean it can't just become or replace your everyday wrench.
This is only a few inches long, so you're not going to get as much leverage as you need from a really long handled wrench. However, the reason that you're using this is a stubby like this is probably because you have limited room to work with and you need the shortness of this anyway. So a really long wrench is completely going to defeat the purpose. You can still insert, pry bars or hammers or anything in here to get a little bit extra leverage like you need to sometimes, but overall, what a great looking product.
Now, here I am testing it around some rusty bolts around my house, and it really made light work of it. No problem at all. Was able to adjust to the bolt head size on the fly quite easily, and just holding it in your hand and being able to shift it and maneuver it and unscrew it like that really was a cinch. So I think you'll be happy with this product. Whether you're an auto mechanic or DIYer, or you're in construction looking to add this to your toolbox, really is going to be a quality product to have. Made from high quality steel. Again, 1.5 inch wide jaw opening, which is pretty incredible. Stubby size. It's got the holes on the handle for you to be able to hang it. Just really versatile product, whether you're unscrewing or screwing on some bolts, or you're just using it for unscrewing different things like a propane tank around the house. Do not think you'll go wrong with this one. And I don't think you'll be disappointed either. So give it a shot. Let me know what you think, and let me know if you have any questions or concerns. So hope you have a good one.